Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me. And as you can see in the title of this video, in this video I'm gonna show you tutorial how to do a get path manipulation. So the function is we're gonna change the path that the router use to move to ping or send a message to the other router. So example, the router 1 by default will send a message or ping to the router 2 using interface E0/0 example, and we're gonna manipulate the metric. So the router 1 will choose the second interface that is E0/1 example, become path the path to go to the router 2 like that. So gonna start to the lab, and in here I'm gonna use FNG like this, and then we're gonna add two router. And the topology I use is two router like this, and then there is two interface that we will use. And then we're gonna turn on the router, go inside. Okay, we're gonna wait for a moment. To the router turn on, maybe loading is loading. Okay, the system configuration there already show. Gonna type no, and then type no again, and then gonna wait for a while. Okay, enter. Okay, we're gonna start from the router 1. As usual, we're gonna add the IP address first in each interface, and my plan is to add IP loopback, IP in interface loopback also. We're gonna enable configure terminal, and then first gonna add IP address in the first interface that is E0/0. Interface E0/0, turn on, and then the IP that I will use is 12.12.12.1, and then the prefix is as usual 24. Okay, guys, move to the second interface that is interface 0/1, and then no shutdown, and then the IP that I will use is 23.23.23.1, and the prefix same 24, and then we're gonna create IP interface loopback, and then the IP is 1111, and then the prefix is 32. Okay, we're gonna move to the second router, that is router 2, enable configure terminal, and then we're gonna start from the first interface, that is E0/0, no shutdown, and then the IP address is same like in the router 1, that is 12.12.12, but the host is 2 because the host 1 is already used by router 1. Okay, and then the prefix same, then exit, move to the second interface, that is E0/1, then no shutdown, IP add, and then same 2023, the host is 2. Okay, we're gonna make the interface look back this, and then the IP is 222, then the prefix is 32. Okay, after that we're gonna create EGRP routing protocol router EGRP1. We're gonna input the network that the router has, that is 12.12.12.0, then the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255, like this, same 3, and then 0.0.0.0.155, and then the last is the IP loopback, that is 1111, and then 0.0.0.0. Okay, move to the router 2. router agrp1, and then gonna do something like in router 1, that is input the network. Okay. Okay, already create new agency, and then 3, and then net 222.0.0.0.0.0, like this. Okay, first we're gonna see in the routing table the routing in the routing table the configuration is right or not. Okay, there is origin. There is origin D in the routing table, so it means it's AGRP. So the AGRP is successful created, and then we're gonna see the path that the router 1 will use to reach router 2, like this. Do trace route. It's like a ping, but it will show the path that the router use. Trace route to the IP loopback of router 2. Okay, we're gonna wait for a moment, for a while. Okay, sorry, show the path that the router 1 used to reach router 2 is 12, 12, 12, and then 2. So it means the router 1 use interface E0/0, like that. So after okay, after that we're gonna see the metric in each interface, like this. Do show IP AGRP topology, and then the loopback, and then the subnet mask. Okay, as you can see, this is uh, the metric topology. You want if you want to reach 2222, this is the the path. There are two paths. There is an Ethernet 0/0 and then Ethernet 0/1, and then this the metric. There is bandwidth. The bandwidth is 10,000, and then delay is 6,000, and then in the Ethernet 0/1, the matrix same like in the Ethernet 0/0. So in here we already know that by default the metric is same. And in here we're gonna manipulate the metric. First, I'm gonna manipulate the bandwidth metric. To change the metric, we're gonna go to the interface. Example, I'm gonna, because the the path that the router 1 choose to go to router 2 is Ethernet 0/0. We're gonna go to Ethernet 0/0, and then first I'm gonna manipulate maybe the delay first. Delay, and then maybe delay gonna add so much like this, and then gonna see again. Okay, as you can see, the delay is already become 110, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. The delay is 1 million. So uh, uh, the delay already change, and the router 1 will choose the uh, Ethernet 0/1 become the path that if the router 1 want to reach router 2. We're gonna trace route again, do trace route again, then wait for a while. Then we're gonna wait. Gonna see. Okay, the path that the router 1 use is Ethernet 0/1 with IP address 2 like that, because the delay is 1 million like this. And then if you wanna change to normal again, just go to the interface and then maybe no delay like this, and then I'm gonna see again. Okay, the delay gonna back to normal. And then next I'm gonna manipulate or change the bandwidth, and the bandwidth and change is in the root in the Ethernet 0/1 interface 0/1, and then just bandwidth, and then the bandwidth gonna do change a lot, like B 10 100 1000 10,000 100, okay, 1 million. Okay, we're gonna see again in the the metric. As you can see, the bandwidth is 1 million, so it means it's gonna be so fast. And then the router one will choose the Ethernet 0/1 or 123.123.2 become the path if the router want to reach or ping to the router 2. Then do trace route again. Okay, wait for a while. Gonna see is it work or not. Okay. Nah, okay, it's work because the path that the router one use is Ethernet 0/1. Okay, maybe that's all for this video. If there are many mistakes from me, I do apologize, and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.